Hello everyone. In today's session, we will explore an interesting question on counting. Here is the problem. A permutation A, B, C, D, E of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is heavy tail if A plus B less than B plus E. What is the number of heavy tail permutations? Before we uncover the solution, I encourage you to hit the pause button, grab your pen and paper, and give it your best shot. When you're ready, feel free to share answers in the comment. Then we explore the solution together. Let's get started. We start by recognizing that there are a total of 5 factorial or 120 permutation of the sequence A, B, C, D, E. For any permutation, there exists a corresponding 1 where the first 2 and the last 2 elements are swapped. This leads us to categorize permutation into 3 types based on the comparison of the sum of the pair AB and DE. So it's either A plus B greater than D plus E, or A plus B equals D plus E, or A plus B less than D plus E. As symmetry, the first and the last type are of the same number, says M. We may let the second type of N permutations. The total number of permutations is the sum of the counts of these 3 types, namely 2M plus N equals 120. Focusing on the case where A plus B equals D plus E, denoted as K, we find that K can only be 5, 6, or 7 based on the possible pair that can be formed from the numbers 1 to 5. For each K, there are 8 permutations, as illustrated by the example where K equals 5. The permutation that's corresponding to K equals 5 are listed, showcasing that there are indeed 8 permutations that satisfy the equality of this specific sum. By establishing that there are 8 permutations of each of the 3 valid sums, namely 5, 6, and 7, we multiply 8 by 3 to get a total of 24 permutations where A plus B equals D plus E. Hence, M equals 120 minus 24 over 2, which equals 48. Here, we list out all 48 heavy tail permutations. As such, the answer for this question is 48. That concludes today's lesson. I hope you found this video insightful and are excited for more mathematical challenges. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.